Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete your Reddit account on mobile. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply start our video. For that matter, first you're gonna go ahead and access your browser in your mobile phone. Once you have done so, you're gonna go to the search bar and type in reddit.com or simply Reddit, and this will simply direct you to this kind of official website of it, where you're gonna go ahead get signed in as well. Afterwards, go ahead tap on this three line icon on top right corner and scroll down to the bottom until you find this option called settings. Now again tap on this account settings option. Now this will lead you and show you all kind of settings regarding your profile. You're gonna go down to the bottom and find this option called delete account within this red text. Go ahead, tap on it, and this will show you this option called deactivate account. To deactivate your account, you need to create a password first. It'll work you through it. So for me, this shows for us to continue. For the deletion, the password thing, you're gonna go ahead, go through it, and you're gonna follow the prompts that it will provide you. So go ahead and do all of it, and you will be able to reconfirm regarding deletion, and you will be delete your account. So for that matter, you cannot do it from your phone's mobile Reddit app itself. You have to access your Chrome browser or any browser that you prefer. So that will be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.